Once again, I welcome you in the same chapter, Democratic Rights. Today we will discuss the another topic. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the story of Saudi Arabia. We also discussed the story of US, which happens in Guantanamo Bay prison, and we have just feel that how the democratic rights are demolished in these countries. I cannot say about Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is not a democratic country. The king of Saudi Arabia is elected in the hereditary process. But in America, they also involve in the violation of fundamental right. Now we are going to take the another story of violation of fundamental right. This is the story of Kosovo. Kosovo is just, we can say, a provinces of Yugoslavia. यूगोस्लाविया की एक प्रोविंसेस है, ये वहां की घटना है. And basically this incident will tells us a different situation like you can take the examples of India. In India you will find that there are Hindu community and there are Muslim community. Those who are Hindu community, they are considered as a majority community, and Muslims are considered, Sikhs are considered, Jain, Buddhist are considered as a minority country. Suppose that Indian government take all the decision in the favor of majority community. What happened? The community, those who are belong to minority, they will definitely raise their questions. And there is a clash between the majority and minority community. The same happened in Kosovo, that is the provinces of Yugoslavia. What happened in Yugoslavia? Now we will discuss one by one. First of all, I would like to tell you about the something. If you take the Yugoslavia, basically the Kosovo is a provinces of Yugoslavia, and there are two communities in Yugoslavia. One is that ethnic Albanians, and second is Serbians. So these are the two ethnic community, those who are residing in Kosovo. The major things regarding both the community, that this Albanian are majority in numbers and Serbians are minority. So the king, those who are elected ruler in Kosovo, in Yugoslavia, they have taken all the decision in the favor of majority. So definitely those who are in minority community, they will definitely raise the question. They have raised the question, and when they have raised the question, there is a result in the massacres, and lots of people have lost their life. Now we will discuss each point, that what happened in Kosovo and what was the major reason about this massacres. कोसोवा की अगर हम लोग बात करें, कोसोवा present a case where the government elected by the people indulged in the large scale massacres in citizen. Whatever the government is elected in Kosovo, it was not the pure government. There are something indulged in the large scale. तमाम तरीके की ऐसी चीजें हुई जो एक स्वच्छ वातावरण में वहां के सरकार का चयन नहीं हो पाया. चयन हुआ, आफ्टर दैट हुआ क्या चीजें घटित हुई वो देखते हैं. कोसोवो वाज ए प्रोविंसेस इन यूगोस्लाविया, एज आई टोल्ड यू. द सर्बियन वर इन मेजोरिटी in Yugoslavia and the ethnic Albanian were in majority in Kosovo. जो कोसोवा में मेजोरिटी थी वो अल्बेनियन की थी और यूगोस्लाविया में मेजोरिटी थी सर्बेनियन की। मिलोसिव was elected as the leader of country, ये मिस्टर मिलोसिव हैं, these are elected as the leader of country as he was सर्बियन, ये एक सर्बियन था, और जो सर्बियन थे वो बेसिकली यूगोस्लाविया में मेजोरिटी में थे, यूगोस्लाविया में मेजोरिटी में थे, और उन्हीं मेजोरिटी से ये इलेक्टेड हुए, लीडर हुए। एज ही वॉज सर्बियन ही वॉन्टेड टू एस्टेब्लिश सर्बियन डोमिनेंस इन द कंट्री। द मैसेज इज क्लियर, द सर्बियन आर इन मेजोरिटी इन यूगोस्लाविया एंड अर्बेनियन आर मेजोरिटी इन कोसोवा, एंड द किंग Milosevic, those who are from the Serbian community, they won't establish the dominance of Serbian in entire Yugoslavia. They don't think that in Kosovo the Albanian are in majority. Whatever the rules they want to establish, they should be implemented to all, either Serbian or Albania. Thus a large scale attack on ethnic Albanian were carried out by the soldier. जो भी सर्बेनियन सोल्जर्स थे, they have started the large scale attack on the Albanian peoples because the king of Yugoslavia want to establish the Serbian dominance in entire Yugoslavia. They don't think that in Kosovo they are in majority. इससे इनको फर्क नहीं था। Thousands of Albanians were killed in Kosovo. When the Serbian attack on Kosovo, thousands of people, those who are belong to Albanian community, they have lost their life. This is very bad that ki in a same country, if a king are elected from the majority community in a particular region, they want to establish their own rules and regulation. This is very dangerous for any nation. You take the examples of India. If India Hindus are majority and the prime minister is majority, and if they want to establish the rules and regulation in favor of majority, definitely minority will just raise their question. And if we try to establish the spirit of democracy को establish करना चाहते हैं, we are supposed to maintain the harmony. We are supposed to just respect either the majority or minority. The government are not supposed to discriminate while formulating the policies. How come it be possible that the ruler was from the majority community, and he attack on the another majority community on Kosovo because he want to establish the dominance of Serbian? Many countries intervened in the massacres. Milosevic was later tried to an international court of justice and committed crime against humanity. When there are so many international organizations, they have put pressure on Milosevic that whatever you are doing, this is wrong. The ruler Milosevic have been just called by the international court, and here they have accepted that committed crime against humanity. और उसने उस क्राइम को एक्सेप्ट किया कि जो मैंने किया है it was not correct, it was against the humanity. Being a ruler, I supposed to maintain harmony, peaceful relation and respect of each other. So my dear children, as we are discussing this chapter fundamental right, the three things we have discussed today, all these three things I want to tell you कि actually what happens in Saudi Arabia, Guantanamo Bay and Kosovo. If you see the Saudi Arabia show the features of dictatorial government, Saudi Arabia ने dictatorial government को show किया, that is against the spirit of democracy, that is against the fundamental right of the citizen. Guantanamo Bay prison show us the how civil rights such as right to life and detention without trial were detained people. They have captured the people without trial. They have captured the people without any trial. They are not allowed to their citizen. They are not allowed to their family member to meet them. They are not entered the international court. They are not entered the UN member to meet them. This is the right to life and detention without trial. Example of this. If you see the Kosovo and is the example of elected government carrying out the massacre of ethnic majority. कोसोवा की अगर हम बात करें, कोसोवा गवर्नमेंट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर मैस्केयर फॉर द एथनिक कम्युनिटी. लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल, थाउजेंड ऑफ पीपल हैव लॉस्ट देयर लाइफ. द राइट ऑफ द सिटीजन आर गिवन ऑलमोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इन द डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री. इफ एनी इलेक्टेड गवर्नमेंट, if any fundamental government will not give the right to their citizen, the same time of incident will happen. Either you talk about Kosovo, either you talk about Saudi Arabia, either you talk about Guantanamo Bay. So ये एक तरीके से नियमों का उल्लास है, ये एक तरीके से नियमों की अनदेखी है जो हुआ. Rights not given by the peoples, giving to the peoples. गवर्नमेंट एंजॉय अनलिमिटेड राइट. चाहे हम ग्वातनामो की बात करें, सऊदी अरब की बात करें, या हम कोसोवा की बात करें. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ मेजोरिटी एंड माइनॉरिटी वी आर नॉट सपोज टू डिस्क्रिमिनेट द पीपल. दे आर लिविंग इन द सेम कंट्री. दे आर लिविंग इन द सेम कंट्री. वी आर सपोज टू गिव द इक्वल राइट एंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज. वी आर सपोज टू एस्टैब्लिश द हार्मनी एंड पीस इन अ कंट्री. सो these three incidents tells us that how the violations of fundamental rights are being happened in different nations, and these are against the true spirit of democracy. These are against the right. So this is very important. Sometimes the question can come in your examination about the Kosovo massacres. इसके बारे में भी आपसे क्वेश्चंस पूछा जा सकता है. So be alert. All the best for today.